We've all seen content creators make money.
You did what? You bought Alex a car?
Spotify strikes $60 million podcast deal with Barstool's Call Her Daddy.
What is going on?
A lot of money.
Oh, hey friends. How you doing? This is my...
But hold on. These are the top of creators, the 0.001%. What about the 200 million content creators who are not making an absurd amount of money? How much are they making? And on that topic, how many followers or views do I need to even make $1? And when can I make at least $1,000 as a content creator? Well, if you've wondered about any of these questions, especially that last one, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna share how I made my first $1,000 as a content creator. This video is for you.
Everything looks great. Now on the topic of compensation, how much are you looking to get paid for this TikTok video?
What should I say? I don't know.
Tejas, are you there?
Whoa. Okay, hold on. We're getting a bit ahead of ourselves. That part of the story comes a bit later. But first, let me give you some background. I've been a content creator for 2 years, and in that time, my business has made 6 figures, all from posting videos online. And this money comes from a lot of things. For example, I've done courses, I've produced videos for other brands, I've consulted companies, but let's be real. Most of content creators' revenue comes from brand deals. Brands pay to be on creators' pages, and they pay for that creator's cosign. It sounds really simple though, right? It's like if you get a bunch of followers and views, you'll get brand deals, and all of a sudden, you'll start to make money. But as this creator economy develops, we're finding out that this is not always the case. I've talked to brands that have sponsored creators with 4 to 5 million followers, only for them to convert like 2 to 3 sales. And the opposite is also true. I know people that have sponsored creators with 10,000 followers that have generated like $50,000 worth of sales. We're learning more and more that especially in the world of TikTok, that followers and views are becoming more meaningless by the day. Okay, so then what's the goal if you're a creator trying to make money in this industry? Well, it sounds trite, but hang with me. It's focusing on building trust.
What up, bro?
What up, brother?
How you doing?
Good, man. You?
Good, chilling. What time do you want to go to the gym tomorrow?
6 a.m.
6 a.m. Jeez, bro. I
Yeah.
found this new program. It's like a push-pull kind of thing. It's been pretty cool. A lot of people on social media rave about it.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think we wanted to make our workout for the quarter, get a better time tomorrow. Look great for the girls, and think created by this time and just the first is pretty cool. I think it'd be good for us.
Whoa, hold on. Wait, come here, look at this. Potential collab Venmo?
Venmo? Nah, it's gotta be a scam, bro.
Dude, what? It's from the Venmo.com. Hi Tejas, hope all is well. I'm currently working on the launch of the new Venmo credit card, and myself alongside the Venmo team are big fans of your content. Attached is a brief with more background as well as the input that we're looking for.
No way, bro.
Let me know any questions. Hope we can work together.
If only that was real, right? That'd
Come
be pretty sick.
Come on.
Bro, you're telling me Venmo, a multi-billion-dollar company, wants you, a junior that makes TikToks, to work with them on marketing?
I started creating in August 2020, and I tried everything. I tried all sorts of TikTok trends, I tried comedy bits, I even tried dancing, and as you can presume from these skills, I didn't see much success. And it wasn't until I niched down into business content, something that I'm interested in, something that felt missing on the platform. It was all nerdy and specific, and a lot of my videos didn't have the potential to hit 10 million views, but the 10 to 20,000 people that did watch them found them valuable. I started to get comments like these, and that's when I knew I was on the right track. So I continued posting, upping the quality of not just the production, but the information. I didn't fail to upload at least once a day, and all of a sudden this audience trusted me. I should also say at this time that I had opportunities to make money. I'd get all these emails to promote cryptocurrencies and NFT projects, but I knew that if I did so, I would break this trust that I had with the audience. And so I stayed consistent and waited. I waited for a legitimate opportunity. And a couple months in, Venmo reached out. Now, Venmo is this multi-billion-dollar company, a platform that I already use. They are super trustworthy, and the value that Venmo provides is aligned with the value of the content that I make. Now, I should say at this time that I was a junior in college, and the only jobs that I've had up until this point was I was a barista at Starbucks, I was a university tutor, then I had this small haircutting business, which is a story for another time. But the reason I tell you this is because I was making $12 an hour, and that's the only perspective I had on money at the time. I would make this amount of money for this amount of time worked. And so when Venmo asked me how much money do I want for a TikTok video,
Everything looks great. Now, on the topic of compensation, how much are you looking to get paid for this TikTok video?
Dude, what should I say?
I don't know, man. I say screw it. Why don't you shoot for the stars? Ask for like $200.
$200? Dude, I can't ask for that much for one video.
Tejas, are you there?
Yeah, sorry about that. To be honest with you, this is my first ever brand deal, and I'm not really sure how to price myself. What if you all shot a number out first?
Okay. How about $1,000?
$1,000? What are you gonna say?
Yeah, that's around what I was thinking. But what about $1,500?
Perfect. Sounds good. I'll send the contracts ASAP.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Thank you.
that's really how it went. I fully thought I was only gonna make $100, maybe $200 max, but she was the one who shot out $1,000. And why did I negotiate it to $1,500? I don't know. I basically blacked out in that moment. So yeah, I made my first $1,000 as a content creator through a brand deal with Venmo. And I know it's a bit anticlimactic, but through this whole experience came a crucial lesson that everyone needs to know at some point in their life. And sadly, school does a poor job of teaching it. Remember how I told you that growing up, the only perspective I had with money was through a function of time, and the only way to get richer was to increase that dollar per hour amount. You're supposed to do well in high school to get into a good college, and you're supposed to do well in college to get into a good job. And this job is supposed to pay you a gracious salary. And then for the rest of your life, your goal is to climb this ladder and make a bigger and bigger salary. The problem with this equation though is if you spend your entire life making money on a function of time, you will never be financially free. And the wealthiest people in the world have found a way to make money on a function of something else. For example, if you're an investor, you make money on a function of risk. You buy equity and hope that it's more valuable in the future. If you're a world-class artist or freelancer, you make money on a function of talent. The more talented you are, the more money you make. And the best part of this creator economy, the reason I'm obsessed with this space is because we created a new function. We created a how to make money on a function of trust. Remember that word trust? I told you we'd come back to it. The more trust a creator has with an audience, the more money they'll make. And this function is continuously evolving. The definition is always changing. And that's what makes this space so exciting. But the big picture is, if you want to be a content creator or not, it's to find a way to make money on a function other than time. That's truly how you create wealth and have the freedom to, let's just say, take a month-long vacation if you want to. My goal for this year is to post twice a month. And if you're interested in this world of creators or technology or just how a 22-year-old guy who's living in New York City is growing and trying to make a living, consider subscribing.